Morning! How you going there? Glad you could make it today. As voted for, the Danger Swig tutorial will be posted. So we're going to go over the steps and hot tips that are going to help you to Danger Swig success now. Let's kick it off. Rule number one that many people don't think about is you should never go into a Danger Swig cold. Going in cold can be a big mistake. It is basically performing a dangerous Danger Swig. The risks of ending up in hospital are quite high. The percentages aren't good, so I'm not going to mention them. But make sure you limber that neck up. Do some stretches, just tilt your head to the left, to the right, a bit of frontward stuff, bit of backward stuff, and just roll the neck around, make sure she's all ready to go. If you want to pop around the corner, go to a different room, you don't want to do it in front of the crowds, then that's fine. Just make sure that neck is nice and warm. Make sure you choose a beverage that you love. You do not want to be drinking something that you feel like you just want to spit out. No point doing that. You want to be drinking something that you love, that you're passionate about, and that you believe in, and that you want to promote to every single other person around you. Because that is what Danger Swigging's about. Oh baby. Some people like spirits, not my style. It's a bit too strong for me. One of the preferred beverages of choice for swigging is beer, obviously. Cheap, comes in pints or schooners or whatever you want to call it. And it goes down the gullet quite well. But my preferred is the Pie and Gunner Real Milk. Luscious, smooth, silky, sits in the back of your throat, and as it flicks down your gullet, like silk. Chinese silk. Yeah, you know what I mean. Glasses. Highly recommended. You don't want to be getting anything in your eye. But really can make your Danger Swig stand out from the crowd. So make sure you have a good arrangement of glasses, good selection, and choose wisely. Choose it for the occasion. But once you got all this together, you're pretty much set to start swigging. So take a little sip. Once it's in your mouth, your head automatically, you just got to resist. You got to resist. It wants to flick back, but you got to hold on, let it build up, and then when it's ready to go, just flick back. At maximum velocity, you'll feel the strain on the dens. This is when you start to change your velocity forwards. At that time, the interchange, that's when you swallow straight down the gullet, the beverage of choice, and you've completed your first Danger Swig. It can take a while to get the knack and the timing, but once you got it down pat, you'll be ready to go. You'll be swigging everywhere you go. Basically, every time you put something to your lips, you'll just automatically be wanting to swig it. It just becomes second nature. So get around it. It can really be beneficial. One final booster tip, if you want to go to level 100 Danger Swigger, then get yourself a Legionnaire's hat. It's a real game changer. Well, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Sing out if you want something else reviewed or another tutorial and anything really. Willing to give it a crack, but catch you around. Like a Risso.